ask Brian for assistance to transcribe your audio or video recordings. Brian is a secure, multifunctional digital assistant for consultants and business professionals designed to help you at work. You take voice notes during your meetings and want to transcribe them safely and quickly. Brian can handle the transcription of your audio and video files, enabling you to swiftly share information with colleagues and propel your business initiatives forward. See how it works in just a second. As always, it is super simple via email, Slack, and Teams. This is how it works in Teams. Insert the audio or video file into the chat and just ask Brian to transcribe it. All common languages are supported, and it is not needed anymore to provide the language of the file. Let's have a look what Brian delivers. Attached, you will find within seconds your transcribed phone call or meeting in a simple Word file. Quite amazing, right? Let me explain you more about the benefits of this awesome skill. First, Brian supports transcribing within approximately 100 languages with all common file formats as M4A, MP3 and 4, MPGA, WAV, and others. Therefore, Brian uses the leading technology of Whisper by OpenAI, process super save on GDPR-compliant servers in Germany. You'll get your transcription as a Microsoft Word file, including automatic punctuation in outstanding quality. Super simple and ready to use. Isn't that great? Brian is your go-to guy, always ready to assist you. But that's not all. This is only one of Brian's skills from the file handling skill family. Check out our website to learn more about this skill family. No matter if you are a consultant, if you work in a corporate, or as a standalone entrepreneur, Brian helps smart professionals 24/7 to succeed at work. For more information, check the comments below and visit our website.